Hey guys! Okay, I'm gonna try my hand at one of these unboxing videos. I recently purchased this portable monitor by AYY Monitor. It's supposed to be a 15-inch portable monitor, 1080p. Supposed to come with everything you need in order to hook it up. So let's get started. Oh, I should have got scissors. Scissors. The trick in this video is for me to not knock over the tripod. Alright. Oh, and of course this is the front of the box, which you've already seen, and the back. And it looks like it's got a lot of Japanese on it. Of course, mobile monitor, so mobile monitor, makes sense. And I think it's just like a game box. Not much on the inside there, just some extra padding. I got this so that I can have two monitors when I travel and have to work. And this must be the monitor itself. It's supposed to come with a case that doubles as a stand. It's supposed to be real leather on here. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it kind of smells like monitor or like leather. It could very well just be the smell of glue. Oh, there's the reflection of my chin and the phone. So I'm going to set this aside for a moment before I go and do the rest of the setup because I want to show you guys what else is in the box. We have the operation manual, which will come into play when I try to set this up. So we'll have that. It's supposed to be pretty easy to set up. The reviews had mixed feelings on it, so we'll see. I'm not super tech savvy, but I'm not entirely stupid with tech, so we'll see. Oh, by the way, I did purchase this for $49.99, so just about 50 bucks. So that was the English set of instructions. Now we've got the Japanese set of instructions. Looks like I've got some homework to do, and I can check it against the English set and see if I get the answers right. Of course, I won't be doing that in this video. I'll have to show my teacher this set of instructions. So I think that's pretty darn cool. Besides the instruction manual, we've got the paper with the warranty. I did pay the $8 or whatever it was for the Assurion insurance on it. Figured for 50 bucks, why not? I did see some reviews. This is our HDMI to mini HDMI cord. I did see some reviews that stated it worked well the first time, and then the second time it did not. There's USB-C to USB-C. Got our power block. And our USB-A to USB-C. So it seems to have all the cords that I need, which is excellent. And there's nothing else in there. Set these over to the side here. And let's try standing this monitor up. Oops, I already peeled off the little plastic thing. I usually enjoy taking my time with that, but I guess it was not to be. And it stands up just fine. I saw a couple of videos where people were trying to figure out how to get it to stand up, but I think this will work out okay. It looks like it can go up even further, but I think I'd have it leaned back. This is supposed to be the 15-inch monitor. Let's see. Looks like it is 15 inches as advertised. There was a 15.6-inch monitor, but for that additional 0.6 inches, it actually cost another $40, and that didn't seem like something I wanted to do. I'd rather save the 40 bucks and be 0.6 inches smaller. So it does say on the operation manual, this is a plug-and-play monitor, and no any driver settings are required. That's good to know. And let's go ahead and take a look on the side. We're supposed to have the power switch, the audio out port. I don't know what right channel is, left channel maybe for airflow or something, and then the Type C charging port, Type C other port, I guess, and the mini HDMI port. I'm guessing that's in case I want to hook up some other way. So let's take a look on the sides here. I'm just gonna, I am clumsy, so bear with me. And there we've got our USB-C ports and our HDMI port. And there we have our audio output. Here's the thumb wheel, the power button. And I think that's all I need to know. So let's go ahead and start in on the equipment connection. We're going to connect it to the computer with the full-featured Type-C port. So let me get the USB-C to USB-C cable. And that is, it looks like one of 3 options, so we can do one of these 3. I did see on some of the reviews that it needs to be fully charged in order to really set up the first time, so we will see. If it doesn't work with this, I may try to set up with the second option. Get my laptop, again without tipping the tripod over. And what I'm realizing is my laptop doesn't have a USB-C port, so I think we are actually going to have to do option 2. So we'll connect the Type-C to the power supply and then do the HDMI to mini HDMI cable. So we've got that. And it looks like, probably should have put the laptop on the other side. Okay. And we'll just put this cord behind if it'll go. Into the USB. That's probably going to be a ton of my shoulder in that shot, but that's okay. And then we need to power it up. So we'll get out our power block and this USB-C to USB-C cord. And you know what? Actually, don't know if this is going to reach to my plug outlet. It's a USB-A. So my USB-C to USB-C won't work. Oh, that's why they included this. Still gonna have the same problem reaching. There we go. Actually, you know what? Since it won't reach, I'll just plug it into my USB-A port on my laptop. All right, it is all plugged in. My laptop recognizes it, and bam, it worked. I didn't have to do anything else besides plugging it in. It literally is plug and play. That is it. There's instructions in case I wanted to connect it to PlayStation or Xbox. Of course, connecting it to my phone or an iPad, connecting it to a Switch, any other devices. Really, I mean, that was it. That was super easy. Looks like there are options for different backlight levels, different sharpness, that sort of thing. I will probably play with that a little bit later, but as you can see, I've got screen mirroring right now, so I'm moving my mouse. Well, you can't really see it. Maybe if I go to the darker area in the mountain. So on the left-hand side, my mouse is right about there. And as I move around, you can see it's moving on both. Probably want to change that instead of mirroring to have it as a second screen, to have it go over. I don't see that in this menu panel here, but of course that wouldn't be in here because this is just literally the controls for the second monitor. Let's see, the thumb dial thing is here. Oh, that's right. It has volume. There are speakers in this, which I think is pretty nifty. Okay, HDMI Type-C. If I just press that, all it does is tell me how it's connected. Description of menu panel. I'm not sure exactly how to get to the menu. Thumb wheel. When function menu is not enabled, press enable the menu, turn up to adjust the brightness, turn down to adjust the volume. When function menu is enabled, turn up to select previous menu. Okay, so the thumb wheel is how I get to these menus here. So if I press it, I think I'm pressing the right thing. That is the wheel, yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, I turned it off. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, there we go. And I'm in the menu. So we have the brightness and sharpness, the contrast level. We have the image aspect. We have the color temperature, OSD setting, reset, and signal source. So that's everything that's in the menu. I don't really need that. Let's see if I can change that. I may have to Google how to do the screen rather than screen monitoring or screen mirroring do the other option. So let's let's go settings. Oh, I did not want you guys to see that, but that's okay. I will cut that out. Devices. Maybe display settings. Okay, let's identify. We got 1, 2. How about detect? Didn't detect another display. Oh, there we go. Multiple displays. Extend these displays. Keep changes. There we go. So now looks like, okay, the second monitor is on the right and the first monitor is on the left. So I could probably even go like this and press and hold to the select. Oh, there we go. And now apply. Now my second monitor over here is on the left. My first monitor over here is on the right. So that's how you do that. So, I mean, all in all, pretty easy. I didn't really have to think much to go through any of this. Really easy plug and play, just like it said. So for 50 bucks, not bad. Obviously, it's a small monitor, but it's not that much smaller from my laptop monitor, so not a big deal. And for 50 bucks, you really can't beat that. So I will use this and let you guys know if I encounter any problems. But for right now, I think it's a great deal. AYY monitor, portable monitor, purchased on Amazon for $49.99. All right, catch you guys next time.